Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at XRP then on our daily time frame. As we can see, looking good today with a big green candle because Donald Trump has won the election, meaning that pro-crypto will stand in America, which is really good to see. Obviously, he did say also that he was going to fire Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, who hates cryptocurrency, as it seems. For the past 4 years, he's been going after crypto companies non-stop, including Ripple Labs. As we know, he's been continuously coming after them. And you can see here, we are getting a nice green candle in response to this. A good piece of news for crypto in general. Everything is pumping today, as you would imagine, with this really good piece of news. I do think we are still up in the air about the direction that we're going to be going for the whole market. I think Bitcoin at a new all-time high right now, probably going to keep pushing towards 100k, which will lead inevitably our altcoins to the upside. XRP still in a bit of a, you would say, no man's land area because of the fact that the SEC have reopened the case against them. But you may see that getting dismissed now because of Donald Trump coming in and basically telling them to clean house of all their, money grabbing schemes, let's be honest, that they've been doing for the past few years in the crypto market, going after Coinbase, going after what are they called, library crypto, forcing them out of business. Lots of shenanigans going on, and I think Ripple Labs are going to get a pass, in my opinion. I'm probably going to see some good movement for XRP as a result. I'm still accumulating, still waiting to see what happens next, so let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.